The highlights of today's defense news, 11th of November 25. Aerospace and Defense Engineering Solutions provider Rossell Techsys approves proposal to raise 300 crore rupees. Raksha Mantri inaugurates state-of-the-art DPSU Bhavan and reviews performance of DPSUs in Delhi. Gridbots unveils Hawk BD, India's new multi-mission explosive ordnance disposal robot. LAT Aerospace unveils 8-seater hybrid electric STOL aircraft concept for regional connectivity. FleetRF secures Indian Army tender for Indigenous anti-jamming drone communication system. In geopolitics, India and Vietnam sign MOU on mutual submarine search and rescue operations. From the industry, HAL seals $1 billion deal with US GE Aerospace to buy 113 jet engines. QpiAI launches Kaveri, India's most powerful 64-qubit quantum processor. Defense PSUs lead India's defense production at 1.51 lakh crore rupees, according to the defense minister. Paras Defense bags 3.95 crore rupees Ministry of Defense order to supply anti-drone systems. AXISCADES and MBDA team up to strengthen next-gen missile systems in India. Versabyte and Sanlian join forces to strengthen India's indigenous defense ecosystem. SDHI cuts first shipbuilding order worth $220 million for 6 chemical tankers. Maiden Forgings Limited secures Semilac registration for defense manufacturing. Sirma SGS to acquire defense and maritime equipment makers Elcom and Navicom. In the global highlights, MBDA eyes Australian production of Mistral air defense missile. Nokia and LMT partner on 5G tactical communications for the Baltics. The news in detail. Ahmedabad-based defense robotics manufacturer Gridbots has introduced Hawk BD, an indigenous explosive ordnance disposal robot designed to enhance India's counter-IED and hazardous operations capability. The platform showcases a modular, semi-autonomous design built to meet the operational need of the military, paramilitary, and law enforcement units engaged in high-risk bomb disposal and reconnaissance tasks. Hawk BD is engineered as a versatile multi-mission unmanned ground system capable of executing EOD, IED neutralization, reconnaissance, and hazardous substance inspections without endangering operators. Its robust chassis and independent drive system allow stable mobility across uneven terrain, rural or confined urban environments, providing high operational reach in real-world threat conditions. The robot's 6-axis manipulator arm extends up to approximately 2.5 meters, offering precision handling of suspicious objects and ordnance materials under remote supervision. It is equipped with multiple end effector options, including disruptor mounts, custom grippers, and firearm integration modules for controlled detonation or threat neutralization. This mechanical flexibility enables seamless adaptation to diverse mission profiles. HawkBD integrates a comprehensive visual awareness suite comprising high-definition day and night cameras alongside thermal imaging sensors for low visibility and nighttime operations. Its multi-camera feed allows a 360-degree situational view, supporting detailed on-site assessment while maintaining safe operator standoff. The integrated infrared and thermal vision enhances detection accuracy of concealed explosives and heat-emitting hazards. Communication and control are achieved through secure encrypted wireless networks and optional optical fiber cables connectivity for high-threat environments. This dual-mode communication ensures resilient interference-free operations across complex electromagnetic conditions. The robot's semi-autonomous navigation and manual override options further support adaptive mission control in real time. LAT Aerospace, a Delhi-based aviation startup, has unveiled a promising new addition to India's emerging regional aviation ecosystem, an unmanned hybrid electric aircraft optimized for short takeoff and landing operations. The company revealed a scale model of its eight-seater concept aircraft while beginning work on a full-scale technology demonstrator to refine its propulsion and aerodynamic performance. The aircraft represents a step forward in sustainable regional mobility, particularly aimed at connecting India's Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. By exploiting the capability to take off and land from short and semi-prepared runways, LAT Aerospace's design seeks to eliminate dependence on major airports and make point-to-point air travel feasible between smaller towns. This aligns with the company's vision of developing low-cost regional air connectivity across underserved routes. FleetRF, a Delhi-based defense technology startup, has achieved a major milestone by securing a significant tender from the Army to supply an entirely indigenous drone communication system. The system has been engineered to provide uninterrupted connectivity for unmanned aerial vehicles, even in contested electronic warfare environments where adversaries attempt to jam or spoof signals. Developed over 6 years of intensive R&D, the communication suite represents a fully in-house innovation. Every layer, from hardware design to embedded software, was conceived, built, and refined by Fleet RF's engineering team in India. The system features a tri-layer security architecture comprising encryption, dynamic frequency hopping, and adaptive power control. These mechanisms ensure robust data links and sustained command signals, providing tactical superiority in high-threat zones. By constantly adjusting frequency and power output in real time, the technology prevents effective interference by enemy EW units. A key differentiator of Fleet RF solution lies in its AI-driven spectrum intelligence. The company is currently advancing an artificial intelligence module that actively predicts, detects, and mitigates jamming attempts using spectrum learning algorithms. This anticipatory capability empowers the communication network to reconfigure automatically, maintaining reliability and bandwidth integrity during electronic engagement. QpiAI has unveiled the Kaveri, India's most powerful 64-qubit superconducting quantum processor. The Kaveri 64 marks a leap in India's domestic quantum computing, following the Indus 25-qubit machine, and will be commercially available by 2026. The processor is geared towards solving complex cryptography, optimization, and machine learning tasks for government, research, and industry, and exemplifies India's drive for technology transformation and homegrown innovation. AXISCADES Aerospace and Technologies has announced a huge step forward in its work with MBDA. The friendship between AXISCADES and MBDA started almost 10 years ago. In the beginning, they worked together to make advanced test benches for the Mica missile. Over time, this teamwork became stronger and turned into a full partnership that now covers missile launcher development and other advanced defense projects. AXISCADES opened a brand new test bench facility at its Aeroland campus in Devanahalli in Bangalore. This new place has modern tools and equipment to produce many advanced test benches for MBDA's missile and launcher systems. The company said the new center will help increase India's defense production in a big way because it has large-scale production capacity and top infrastructure. It is also setting up a dedicated MBDA system integration center at the Devanahalli Atmanirbhar cluster in Bangalore. This new center will help the two companies work closer. It will improve localization and speed up production and make India's defense ecosystem stronger. The company also shared plans for a new missile Atmanirbhar complex in Hyderabad. This complex will be a big center for large-scale missile production. It will also help India make and export advanced missile systems in the future. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries has signed a letter of intent with Norwegian ship owner Rederiet Stenersen for the construction of six 18,000 DW IMO Type 2 chemical tankers. The agreement is valued at around $220 million and includes an option for an additional 6 vessels. The vessels will be built at SDHI's facility in Pipavav in Gujarat and are scheduled to be designed by Marinform of Norway and classed by DNV. Each ship will be built to ICE Class 1A standards and will feature a hybrid propulsion system with automation for improved maneuverability and operational flexibility. According to the builder, the tankers are future ready with a design that allows for future conversion to methanol or LNG fuel. The design also includes provisions to upgrade the battery capacity up to 5,000 kilowatts. The global news. Australian munitions manufacturer NIOA has signed a memorandum of understanding with European defence company MBDA to produce Mistral very short range air defence missile systems in Australia. If realized, the partnership would position Australia as the first nation outside France to manufacture the Mistral. The agreement will explore options for local assembly and the production of Australian-made warheads for the Mistral suite of missiles, along with potential participation in MBDA's global Mistral supply chain. This supports the Australian government's defence industry development strategy by fostering deeper industrial partnerships with trusted international allies. Nokia and Latvia mobile operator Latvija's Mobilias Telephones (LMT) have signed a strategic agreement to develop a 5G-based tactical communication system for defense use across the Baltic region. The collaboration combines Nokia's radio technology with LMT's experience in defense applications to create a secure, high-capacity and resilient network architecture designed for battlefield operations. The system will enable real-time data exchange between sensors, unmanned platforms and command units to enhance coordination and situational awareness. It is designed as a scalable, interoperable solution that integrates advanced technologies like autonomous systems and AI-driven analytics into tactical operations. LMT has previously worked with Nokia on Latvia's mobile network infrastructure, developing 5G-based military applications to enhance defense capabilities along NATO's eastern flank. The two companies tested their combined technologies at the Adazi military base northeast of Riga using a portable 5G tactical network built on Nokia's Banshee radio platform. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.